Are you looking to detox your body quickly and feel rejuvenated? What if I tell you that there is a simple, ancient dish that could transfer how you feel from inside out? This nourishing meal isn't just about comfort, it holds the secret to cleansing and revitalizing your entire system. Hi, I'm Dr. Vikas Sangotra, an Ayurvedic doctor with over 15 years of clinical experience. So today we will uncover the hidden power of this incredible food. Curious about what is it and how can it help you detox and rejuvenate? Before we discover, subscribe to eBlosis and press the bell icon below. Here we are talking about Khichdi, an Ayurvedic staple. Is the fastest and most nourishing way to detox your body. We will find out why this culinary gem might just be your new go-to for wellness. But before that, let's understand what is detox, how Ayurveda understands detox. So simply put, detoxification is body's natural way of removing harmful toxins that are built up over the time, whether from processed food, pollution, or even stress. In modern terms, detox involves supporting key organs like the liver, kidneys, and digestive system to flush out these toxins. But in Ayurveda, detox takes on a deeper meaning. We call toxins ama, substance that result from improper digestion. The key to detox is balancing your Agni, the digestive fire, to burn off ama and restore harmony. Detox isn't just physical, it's about clearing mental and emotional clutter too. Now you might wonder, how does a humble dish like Khichdi fit into this? Khichdi, a mix of rice and a moong dal, split green gram, is a simple food with complex advantages. It's designed to heal and cleanse your body. In Ayurveda, it's one of the important part of detox programs like Panchakarma, and here is why. First, it supports digestive fire. Khichdi is easy to digest, helps to strengthen your digestive fire. Its carminative properties support the process of Dipana and Pachana, which means boosting digestion and eliminating toxins. Second, deep cleansing. It clears your body's channels or srotas from stagnation caused by ama, so creating lightness and clarity throughout the body. And third, mental well-being. Ever feel mentally drained? Khichdi's sattvic nature brings peace and clarity to the mind. Helps to curb the false cravings too, which is very essential during detox. Dosha balancing. Whether you are feeling lethargic or restless, Khichdi can balance all three doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, making it the perfect detox food for all body types. Nutritional balance. It nourishes the tissues or dhatus without overloading your digestive system, providing just the right balance of proteins, carbs, and fiber. Self-healing. Khichdi is often used in a mono diet for detox. Eating Khichdi exclusively for a few days allows the body to focus on healing rather than digesting complex meals. Khichdi is the simplest yet most effective way to detox your body fast. It's gentle, nourishing, and brings your body back to balance. So next time you feel heavy, tired, or mentally muddled, consider a Khichdi cleanse to reset your system and feel lighter. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit a like button and subscribe for more Ayurvedic tips on healing and wellness. Leave a comment if you are ready to give Khichdi a try for your next detox. And remember, true health starts from within. See you in the next video. Lots of love to all beautiful souls out there. Namaste.